Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab boil seasoning easy guide. Combine 2 tablespoons coarse salt, 1 tablespoon cayenne, and 1 tablespoon smoked paprika in a bowl and mix thoroughly. Toast 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon coriander briefly to wake their oils. Stir in 2 tablespoons dried citrus peel, 4 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon whole peppercorns, then store in an airtight jar. Start by measuring spices precisely, as small differences change the final boil. Use smoked paprika for depth and cayenne for heat, adjusting to suit your palate. Add dried citrus peel for a citrus lift that won't dilute the pot. Toasting seeds like mustard and coriander for 30 seconds unlocks more aroma. Once combined, taste a pinch and tweak salt or heat before storing in a sealed container. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read recipes at the stove without worrying about splashes, and it fits in your kitchen drawer. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and grab one if you like handy kitchen reading. Now let's get back to the video. Measure roughly 1 cup of your seasoning blend per 5 gallons of water for a robust boil. Bring the water to a rolling simmer and add the mix, letting it steep for 10 to 15 minutes to release flavor. Taste the broth and adjust with salt or a squeeze of lemon if needed. Add potatoes and corn first, then seafood later so everything finishes perfectly together and serves hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.